Oh, yep. So, I'm gonna go, before I go do anything, I gotta go pick up my smoothie, feel me? So I'm gonna go pick up the smoothie. I think I'm gonna go watch this. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. Muffler delete, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that today. I gotta watch it. I might do that tomorrow. So, we'll see. We'll see. All right, this is like the second day. This is the day after I made the first clip. But we did end up taking off the muffler. Oh! Oh! That shirt sounds nice, bro. I'm gonna do a little cold start right now, because when I did it earlier, it was a warm start. Obviously, when we first did it. See, I'm not sure how good you can hear this, but let's see if I can capture any of the pops on here. I don't know if you really hear that, but it has a nice tone to it. It's not too loud either, because I was a little worried that it's gonna be too loud, but it's actually not. It's like the perfect tone. Plus, matched up with the intake, like at higher PMs, you don't even hear the fucking exhaust. All you hear is the damn intake, bro. So, you know, it's like a good balance. It's not too loud. It's just exactly how I want it. I get some more clips, and I'm going to get more flybys and shit like that. So, you know, you can hear like under load and shit. But I'm gonna go. I was supposed to watch the car yesterday, but I didn't. So I'm gonna watch it today. I'm gonna go there right now. Then yeah, I'm gonna record that, and then after I'm gonna get some food, and then I'll see if I can get any flybys with the muffler delete. Or I forgot to pull the camera out, bro. I'm basically finished. Just trying it off right now. But I'm gonna start it in here, and then hear how that shit sound from the outside. Jeez. Alright, so right now I'm headed to my boy house and get some food and shit, and then after that I'll do some flybys of how it sounds from the outside.